Voice chat not working Roblox. How to fix. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to log in to your Roblox and try to select any game here. Step one, you just have to go to settings and then make sure that under volume, input device and output device, you are using the correct settings, correct microphone, and also speaker. And then make sure that the microphone also here is working. You can simply talk to make sure that your microphone is functioning well and to make sure also that you're using the correct microphone settings, the right input and output device. So you just have to simply try to talk if your microphone is functioning well. So that is step one. Step two, you can now exit your Roblox application and kindly go directly to your volume or your sound settings. To do that, you can see at the top bottom corner. Now go to system, go to sounds, and also you have to make sure that you're using the right device for your microphone. Okay, so you can test that by just speaking and you can see it right here if you're using the correct settings or device. And then step three, you just have to simply go down and look for volume mixer. As you can see, we have your app volume, mic app input and output devices. And you just have to look for Roblox. And then here you just have to tap this arrow facing down and make sure that you're using the same device for output and input. As easy as that. So I do hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.